There you go.
One at the bottom.
This one's 2.5, right?
That's right. Yeah, the sheet. Yeah, for liability. I mean, if you're out in the water, it's fine. You can jump off. It's your boat. You can do whatever you want.
If you fall into the cement, you're not getting back up.
Exactly. You are allowed up there.
Oh, we are allowed up here now. Okay,
Yeah.
cool.